In today's video, we're going to make our own coffee-infused eye cream and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have to deal with puffy eyes, dark circles, and fine lines like me, then this recipe is for you. It's incredibly moisturizing, soothing, and simple to make. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 2-ounce glass mason jar, 1 spice grinder, 1 cheesecloth or coffee filter, 2 ounces of coffee beans. Caffeine can improve blood circulation by narrowing the blood vessels, which can decrease dark circles under the eyes. It can also absorb accumulated water, therefore may reduce puffiness and swelling. 3 ounces of olive oil. Olive oil is a deep moisturizer. It's an antioxidant, supports against wrinkles, and can maintain even skin tone. 1/2 ounce of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is rich in vitamin E, helping to eliminate free radicals. It soothes and moisturizes dry, chapped, and irritated skin. It is easily absorbed into the skin and promotes a glowing complexion. 5 ounces of rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is moisturizing. It helps exfoliate and brighten skin tone and boost collagen formation. It can reduce dark circles, scars, and fine lines. 1 ounce of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and supports against inflammation. 5 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil can block free radicals and replenish lipids in the skin, which can decrease the signs of aging. It can also help reduce wrinkles and fine lines and promote youthful-looking skin. An essential oil I like to use is frankincense. Frankincense has many anti-aging properties that can leave your skin looking fresh and youthful. It supports against inflammation, therefore can calm the complexion and promote cell restoration. It supports toning and lifting the epidermis, and so can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. First, we need to make the coffee-infused oil. On low heat, warm 3 ounces of olive oil. As the oil sits, grind 2 ounces of coffee beans, and then add them to the warming oil. Warm these ingredients for about 20 minutes. Then strain the oil and coffee through a cheesecloth or coffee filter. If you use a cheesecloth, ensure you layer it at least 4 times. In a small saucepan on low heat, melt 1 ounce of shea butter, then add 1/2 ounce of jojoba oil, 1/2 ounce of rosehip seed oil, and 1/2 ounce of the coffee oil. Next, add 5 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Allow the oil mixture to cool a little, then add 15 drops of frankincense essential oil. Pour the mixture into a 2-ounce glass jar and let harden and thicken. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store the eye cream in a cool and dry space and use within 3 to 4 weeks. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.